How to boost cell signal on any iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can boost your cell signal on any iPhone that you have. So it basically varies from different iPhones. If you have an iOS 15 or higher, then this video will work for you. If you have an iOS 15 lower than that, then you might need to check other videos because this is an iOS 15 or higher video. So it's going to be pretty simple. Just follow the steps till the end. All you're going to do is you're going to go on dial pad, and here you're going to write *370#. And once you do that, you're just going to call on it. So there we go. You're just going to call on it. And it's just going to say error performing request, unknown error, something like that. And it's going to boost your signals right away from that. Trust me, it seems shady, but it works. It works wonders. And please do try it. So yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please stay tuned for more content like this. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.